I want to grow old without facelifts. I want to have the courage to be loyal to the face I have made. When I was a youngster, I lived with different families. I nearly always felt closer to the man of the house. Maybe because I always dreamed of having a father of my own. If you spend your life competing with businessmen, what do you have? A bank account and ulcers. When I was 5, I think, that's when I started wanting to be an actress. I loved to play. I didn't like the world around me because it was kind of grim, but I loved to play house. It was like you could make your own boundaries. Before marriage, a girl has to make love to a man to hold him. After marriage, she has to hold him to make love to him. A man is more frank and sincere with his emotions than a woman. We girls, I'm afraid, have a tendency to hide our feelings. To put it bluntly, I seem to have a whole superstructure with no foundation. But I'm working on the foundation. If your man is a sports enthusiast, you may have to resign yourself to his spouting off in a monotone on a prize fight, football game or pennant race. There was my name up in lights. I said, God, somebody's made a mistake. But there it was, in lights. And I sat there and said, remember, you're not a star. Yet there it was up in lights. It's not too much fun to know yourself too well or think you do. Everyone needs a little conceit to carry them through and past the falls. Creativity has got to start with humanity, and when you're a human being, you feel, you suffer. You're gay, you're sick, you're nervous or whatever. What I really want to say, that what the world really needs is a real feeling of kinship. Everybody, stars, laborers, Negroes, Jews, Arabs. We are all brothers. I am good, but not an angel. I do sin, but I am not the devil. I am just a small girl in a big world trying to find someone to love. A strong man doesn't have to be dominant toward a woman. He doesn't match his strength against a woman weak with love for him. He matches it against the world. Success makes so many people hate you. I wish it wasn't that way. It would be wonderful to enjoy success without seeing envy in the eyes of those around you. One of the best things that ever happened to me is that I'm a woman. That is the way all females should feel. Beauty and femininity are ageless and can't be contrived, and glamour, although the manufacturers won't like this, cannot be manufactured. Not real glamour, it's based on femininity. I knew I belonged to the public and to the world, not because I was talented or even beautiful, but because I had never belonged to anything or anyone else. Experts on romance say for a happy marriage there has to be more than a passionate love. For a lasting union, they insist, there must be a genuine liking for each other. Which, in my book, is a good definition for friendship.